Hello guys, so I unboxing again next bag, and this one is Michael Kors Evie backpack. So hope you enjoyed and let's start it. So it came in box and also in, so I removed the box already and it came in this stuff. So I got it on semi-annual sale that it's going on right now. So this is Evie backpack and it's looking like this. So it's looking like this. It smells with leather. I like it. This has handle like so. So we can keep it like this. I mean carry like this, but it also comes with two straps that are inside. And it has interesting design as it's on the magnetic snap, and then we open like this and it has those nice here tassels, and then you can pull it like this and it's going through this and then it's closed. Also it's nice because it has two zipper pockets, which I like because I tend to keep here some stuff like tissues, and when I'm wearing some cameras then I don't want to wear them together, so I put tissues here because tissues have some dust. And then it comes with dust bag, and inside it comes with two straps, and they look like this, normal straps. This is normal, like I don't know how it's called, but it doesn't have any Michael Kors sign. And then inside, this one comes with little paper, and inside it has here the pocket that it's like you can put tablet, and then it has a zipper pocket like so, and then on the other side it has like 3 slip pockets and another 3 pockets that you can put cards or something else. And it's kind of easy. I like it because it's easy to grab your stuff, and it's not like that you not see stuff, because it's easy because you see anything what you want to grab. So it's better than other backpacks from Michael Kors, because they have like zippers not all the way down, but it's like halfway, so it's harder to get out stuff. And also this backpack is really nice, and it has also here slip pocket, but it's actually on this snap. No, it's also magnetic snap, and it's like you can even see outside material, and it's really cute. It has also snap ring, I mean key fob. It has key fob, and yeah, it's really cute. I think this one I will keep, and white, OPTIC white color is really nice, goes well with many things, so it's great color. So yeah, hope you enjoy such videos, and if you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. You can comment down below if you like or not, if you like this backpack or what you get on sale. Yeah, so See you in the next videos, and bye.